Many homeowners will use a paintbrush just once or twice and throw it away. And consequently, they end up buying really cheap paintbrushes because they know they're just going to toss them out. A better approach is to buy good quality paintbrushes, clean them really well after each use, and then store them properly. That way they'll last you for many, many years. Here's a paintbrush that I used recently to apply some latex paint. And first I cleaned it really well with warm soapy water. But before putting it away for good, I'm going to use a brush comb, which is nothing more than a wooden handle with these sharpened steel pins coming out of it. And it's a great tool for straightening out the bristles and removing any dried paint chips that may have been stuck and left behind after the cleaning process. Now you could use a wire brush, but you have to be really careful because the bristles of the brush might tear out the paint bristles. So then once the bristles are nice and straight, you can just wrap it up in some, I like using this craft paper or brown paper that I cut out of a grocery sack. Then fold it over and secure it with a rubber band. Now, the important part here is to make sure the rubber band is on the metal ferrule part, otherwise it'll deform the bristles. And if the paintbrushes usually come with their own sheath, and if you have yours from the original brush, then you can store it in that as well.